size also. This is again another chart submitted by student. So again showing the changes in teeth, skull, then feet, then entire structure of the horse. So in evolution of horse, you can see different differences. You can see the variation, and you can see how it has evolved from one period to the second period. So firstly, you can see that mainly the main changes in evolution that takes place, these are mainly increase in size. Then you can see evolution of neck and head, and changes in the forelimbs and hind limbs, and lateral digits, and increase in thickness of the digits, and increase in height of molars, increase in the height of the horse, and change in the size and complexity of brain. Because earlier it just, you can see its size is only about 28 centimeter, then it changes to 60 centimeter, then 100, then 108, and then equus is 150. So there are different time periods where it has changed from first stage, that is Eohippus. From Eohippus, you can see here, Eohippus to Mesohippus, Mesohippus to Meryhippus, and then Pleohippus and Equus. So different time periods, like you can see Pleistocene, Pliocene, Miocene, Oligocene, and Eocene. From Eocene time to Equus. You can see differences in their structures, in cranium, in tooth, in hind limb and forelimb, and its posture, and as well as size of the height of the. So in evolution of horse, there are mainly 5 stages. First is Eohippus, called as dawn horse. Then second is Mesohippus, called as Oligocene horse, or it was forest dweller. And then Meryhippus, or ruminating horse. And then next is Pleohippus, or Pliocene horse. And last one is modern horse, that is the Equus. So you can see the changes, major changes. In case of first horse, that is the Eohippus. Eohippus was of the height of 10 inches, and it has 4 limbs with 4 fingers, and it has lower molar teeth. Then in Mesohippus, you can see the Mesohippus here, second one, and its height ranges from 18 to 24 inches, and hind limb having the 3 toes, and it is also named as the forest dweller or the browser. Then third one is the Meryhippus, or ruminating horse. This one, third one also. So first one, second one, and third one. So ruminating horse, its size is of 14 centimeter, and it has 4 limbs and hind limbs with 3 fingers and 3 toes, 3 fingers and 3 toes. And it fed on the grasses, mainly fed on grasses. Then next is the Pleohippus, and Pleohippus horse, it is of the size of 108 centimeter. You can see its structure. This one, 108 centimeter, and it has 1 complete finger and 1 complete toe with 2 splints in its fore and hind limbs. And then last one, which is a modern, this one, horse, which is named as Equus, having the height of 150 centimeter. So it having the forelimb and hind limb has 1 finger and 1 toe and 2 splints. So it is mainly for the purpose of grinding. So you can see the changes in habits also changes from first one to the next one, last one. So starting from Eohippus, modern horse is now named as the equus or modern horse. So this is how you can give the evolution of horse, and these are the models or the charts which are submitted by the students of second year class.